In this video, I'm going to unbox a brand new mattress. It's called Luft Mattress. And my Caesar. It's very exciting because it's a hybrid mattress. The design looks perfect. I love when they use graphite, gel memory, quilted top, and it also has the coils, micro coils. The next video we're gonna talk about the details about the mattress, bounciness, edge sport, coolness, motion transfer if you're sleeping with a partner, sport, and etc. Everything you need to know about this mattress. Please write your comment below and let me know how else I can help you to make your mattress decision better. Okay, so the first initial feedback about the Luft mattress. First, there's no smell whatsoever. The cover is really gorgeous, very sturdy. It's quilted. The side is very also like sturdy. Yeah, it's definitely bouncy. And I definitely suggest you to be 2 people to unbox it. Get some help, 2 people. It's 118 pounds. This is a queen size mattress. When you think about bed in a box model mattresses are like 70, 80 pounds. If it's 90, it's like, whoa, it's cool, and etc. This is 118 pounds of mattress, so it's pretty heavy. Just watch out when you're unboxing or moving it around. Guys, just click here to go to the mattress review, the Luft mattress review video, and click here to go to the mattress review main page that you can read, and everything is going to be there, the most updated. I can't update the videos, but I can update my review. So just check out the review, check out this video to watch the mattress review. We're going to talk everything in detail, and definitely hit subscribe and subscribe my YouTube channel. It should be here somewhere. It should be somewhere here. It's crazy, so heavy. So, like normally you couldn't do that with other mattresses. How could I make my face there? Guys, I